Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can change the background on a Slack video call. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to slack.com or log in to an existing account or make a new account. So, you can click here for an existing account, or you can sign in with either Google or Apple if you don't have one. And then, once inside the main dashboard, simply select a channel that you want to start a video call on. On the top right of your screen, go on the huddle button right here and click on Start Huddle. Then, click on Open Huddle window, and this will redirect you to a new tab where you can conduct your video call. From here, simply go to Actions and go to Video Background. On this screen, you should be able to see all the available backgrounds that you can use during your video call. So simply click on it, and then once you've done choosing, close it. And it should be registered and seen right here. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!